station at Amigos. 1022 Teodoro Street here in Angeles City. And just kind of give you a look around. Man, it's a high one. We meant to go back inside because that sun just came out. Right across from the Orsu Hotel. And next to the Soul Sisters Salon and Spa Massage. Coming down, you see the South Star on the right before Walking Street. Cut a right. Come on down, it's on the left, right here. What's this cross street? From here it looks like OK Street, but that's not the name, but I can't see it from here. So anyhow, everybody talks highly about this spot. Captain Ron, he's here almost every day, I think. Eric and Mercy here every day. He said twice a day. So they have raved about Amigos street food. And this is the first time I've been here. And he said I had to go with the street tacos. That's the number 11. So I went with the beef tacos, the beef street tacos, number 11 on the menu. And this guy went hog wild. He ordered all kind of stuff. So we'll show you the food in just a minute. We're gonna sit here and work on my tan. Some people hide from the sun, folks. I bask in it. Sit out here, eat me some tacos and get a tan. Multitasking. All right, folks. Now this is number 11, the street tacos. Oh my goodness, wonderful on the presentation. My goodness. And folks, right there is the cucumber lemonade. Looks absolutely delicious. And then what we got going on over here, Captain Ron?
The beer tacos.
All right, folks, here we go. Without further ado, heard so much about the spot and so much about the food. I can't wait no longer. Look at that right there, cross section on that. Folks, that is absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. That's authentic. I know authentic is subjective, but I'm not Mexican, but I've been to Mexico plenty. That don't taste like the Philippines. It tastes like I'm in Mexico. Guatemala. Cross section on that dude right there. It's probably focusing on my face, but look at that. My goodness. Let's check this out. Look at that. Wow. That's outstanding. The reports are true. Check that out right there. Cucumber lemonade, folks. My goodness, who knew? Mix cucumbers and lemonade be so delicious. I really appreciate that because since I stopped drinking, most everywhere you go, what, you're drinking a soft drink, right? But you come here, you got 4 different types of lemonade at least.
But these loaded nachos are on the house.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, my friend.
No problem.
All right, thank you so much. Folks, look what he brought out here. Look at the presentation on this. And these are the loaded nachos, right? Awesome. Folks, there might be some wind noise out here, but you know what? That wind noise indicates what? That it's windy out here. Look at that. I gotta try a little bit of this sauce to avoid double dipping. I'm just gonna drop a little right there. Oh, brought out a couple of slices there. All right, look at that. Delicious. Just look at the presentation. Look at this. And folks, we were just talking to the owner. He said that they slow cook the meat for 8 hours. And we made the comment, I should have got it on video. Might get to talking, I forget what I'm doing. World's worst filmmaker. You know, when I bit into this, I was in Mexico. I wasn't in the Philippines, and they said that's the objective. They said when you eat here, it's like you're in Tijuana, Mexico, and he's right on the money. I gotta eat. It's a hard life I live, folks, and somebody's got to do it. But definitely check out Amigos. if you're here in Angeles City. It's outstanding food. Loaded French fries, and that looks absolutely delicious too. My goodness, they just keep bringing out the deliciousness here. Now, do you get this every day?
I change it up. I usually get 2 or 3 things at a time, and then the next, if I order later in the day, then I'll order something different.
But you've been eating here every day, right?
Yeah, pretty much every day, sometimes twice a day.
Sometimes twice a day.
I come here and then I get food delivered also. They're on Grab and Food Panda and something else, or you can order on Facebook.
Okay, all right, so good information, folks. I'll definitely be using Grab to get some of this food over to the house. So nice. It started raining. These ladies came out and put an umbrella up for us, and we're just gonna let it rain. And now it's all cooled off, and we're still out here. Now we got a cool breeze. Beautiful. That whole hound dog. Now, folks, it's coming a monsoon. Nah, I'm just kidding. Not a monsoon. Coming a little bit of rain. Got a beautiful lady coming in that umbrella. Not the Kuya, the one behind her. But yeah, we're underneath cover right here. Now, folks, that was so delicious. I had to give me one more. It's just fresh, not too heavy. It's not like, you know,
Hey, what is that? But it's like the whole thing of the food.
Yeah, but it's just for a shoot. So, no.
all right, right there, folks, right there in the corner. Amigos street food. 2 thumbs up from me and Captain Ron and Eric and Mercy. And I'm telling you, tell them Marco sent you, tell them Far East Poppy sent you, or Captain Ron, but you gotta try it. All right, dude, that food is awesome, man. You ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm ready to roll.
Hey, shout out to everybody here, the staff, on time. The food is great. I'll definitely be back. And it'll be very easy for me to eat here every day. Just pick a different item from the menu. Because those street tacos, delicious, but you know, not too heavy on your stomach. So I would definitely be back. Too cool of a place. Where we're at, look, that's the South Star drug right there. You can't miss it. Okay, South Star, Walking Street's right down there. Just come down the alley, not the alley. Come down the street here, and you will be here 1022 Teodoro Street. 56.70 on the exchange.